Teddy Ganja broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get round fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Oh, snap. We are back. It is December 13th. Guys, things are progressing and we are making our way back up. There has been a reversal. Was it related to potential pause? We're going to talk all about it. But before we do, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. Come on, just do it. Smoke that like button. Hit that subscribe, join the Ganja Goons gang. We are growing so strong. You know, you have to interact with the video in some way, shape, or form. Man, oh man, guys, we are literally in that point of, making it all back. Someone told me something crazy, but guys, real quick, don't forget to hit that subscribe. It does help the channel out. We're going to talk all about this. Let me just quickly boom, boom, pow, bring up the market. Oh man, this is it. Someone just recently told me that Teddy, so we started off with 5 ETH in the Degen wallet, and they were like, Teddy, you actually made your 5 ETH back from the Degen wallet. You're just thinking you didn't make it in the tokens. You actually made it back in the NFTs alone. So I'm like, what are you talking about? He's like, dude, your Michelin NFTs are half an ETH each. And I'm like, wait, what? That means I made 2 ETH there, 3 ETH on the Trump of the D's. That's 5 ETH. Yes, you're right. So it finally, boys, we are at 5 ETH. Back again in NFTs. It don't feel the same. I wanted it back in tokens, so we just keep marching on. So as I was saying, we start off with the market 1.6 trillion. 1.6 trillion. We were just talking yesterday. Hey, we had a little bit of a reversal. What's going to happen? We redid the Fibonacci retracement. So if any of you guys are surprised, you shouldn't be. We knew exactly what was going to happen. And if certain levels were hit, we knew this was possible. If certain levels weren't hit, we knew where it was headed. So let me see here. F Joe TV, what's going on? Always up Red Sox. Oh, INJ indeed. Teddy, how's your Trump NFT doing? I finally got two. Hey, Teddy and the Goons. Could you boy? Smash that like, smash the like indeed. I appreciate it. Ben, where were you? I was expecting you to be first. Come on now. Got to keep up the momentum. You're losing your credibility now. No, I'm just kidding. Everything's fine, Ben. I appreciate you checking in. Hope things are well. The market is doing fairly great. We are going to the more greedy side. So 76 greed, 1.6 trillion. We're gonna make. I'll be first tomorrow. You better be, buddy. You better be. Let me see here. Continuing on, dominance. As we predicted, ETH dominance continued to stay under 17%, even though the price has made some momentum back. The dominance continued staying under 17%. While for Bitcoin, we're now at 52. So we're at 51.7. Around there. Now we're that solid 52. I believe this will continue to gain momentum as more money comes into BTC. And we're going to talk about it because there are some news articles potentially talking about, Bitcoin ETF approvals before January 10th. So, hey, guys, we are talking weeks, and these weeks are going to add up so quickly. So if you are going, hey, oh my God, I didn't get in, calm down. This is not all a lost opportunity. We're going to discuss everything. And if there's any questions before takeoff, I'm saying this is before takeoff, right? You got to make sure all your puzzles pieces fit right in the wait. I said this wrong. All your pieces of the puzzle are in the right area, right? So you got to make sure, guys. I don't want any of you guys left out because I truly feel we need to set our positions now before takeoff. And it's not late. Teddy, I'm not late. You're not late. No one is late. No, wait. Oh, you mean late in the thing? Oh, I'm thinking you're late on crypto. No one's late on crypto. Crypto doing real good. I'm big fan. Big fan. Sats ordinals. Let's go. Is this another new one coming in? Should I go get into this one for once? I didn't even monitor this one. When did this one come in today? October 6th. Okay, yeah. So I haven't been watching this, and then it's had a 6,000% increase since launch. Yeah, no idea. It's on KuCoin. Is it on Mexi? No, it's not on Mexi. Or maybe it is. Second page. Third page. God damn it, Mexi, jump on it. Jump on it. Jump up. Yeah, no Mexi. Wow, I'm not blind. Yeah, that's interesting. This one could be interesting because we know what's going on. INJ is the clear winner. This is why Red Sox is super happy. We know Red Sox has INJ. I think you have Stacks and SEI as well, right? So you got some good plays here. We're in SEI, we're in Stacks. Or actually, I think we took some profits on Stacks, but Stacks doing very well as well. Dang, Cardano, 16%. Dude, Bonk, where's our boy Kucha Boy? Kucha Boy. You're up like anything on Bonk. Yes, that's doing real well. 15.52. This is interesting. This is an interesting way of showing this. Yeah, it's on Ordinals. Oh, yeah. Ordinals wallet. But then if Ordinals, the bug is, what's happening is the way the BRC20, they're calling it program data, program code and pushing it in, making the transaction size so much bigger, and the blocks just aren't ready for that. It slows down the entire network. We have issues there. Teddy, I sold Stacks. Okay, good. I'm pretty sure we sold Stacks for a profit, so I think it's fine. We'll find entry if we need to. Back again. What up, goons? Dab Tool 420. Nice to see what's going on. Clean Smoke. How are you? What are you up to? How have things been? What are you doing these days? Fill us in. Fill us in. Us goons want to know everything and all. Truly fill us in. No, so very, very good. The entire market's doing well. Baby Grok, I think even Coochie Boy, you were in that as well. So I know you're reaping the benefits of today. And I'm sure you're going to take your initials and continue to hold. So, guys, we're making smart judgments throughout the week. Nothing shook us up. Hey, some of you guys were wondering, hey, do I sell now? Do I wait? What's the right move? No, we're in it for the long term. We're doing the right thing. Some of us are in it for the futures, and we look at those during the charts as well. So far, so good. I like what I see. And then finally, crypto future sentiment. We are seeing the sentiment finally go bullish on Bitcoin. Finally, after like weeks, right? It was a 50-50 split. So it is even going into 50-50 on whether it's Bitcoin week or altcoin week. So it's a great bullish sentiment. Nothing's really driving anything. Um, and it feels good. It feels good. We're seeing the money flow in across the board, and the dominance really shows. BTC continues to hold and then continues to go up. So we love it. What's up, Selmo Fudd? Oh, man, we got the entire Goon Gang checking in. 12 goons in the house. If you're one of the 12, did you smoke that like button? What are you doing? What are you doing? I have a feeling you forgot. Don't be that guy. We know. We know. We keep track. All right, so that's what I had for the market. Let me move on over to the news. Give me 1 second here, guys. Boom, pow, pow. Oh, what should we start off with? I have some really good ones today, but I guess we will start off with Yearn. Oh man, Yearn.finance. This is a token that was told to us by John Crispala. We got to see it early and exactly what was going on with Yearn, and it just kept having greener and greener days almost every day and continued till this bluster. I don't know, they messed up, I guess. So they said it was a multi-signature scripting error that caused them to lose 1.4 million in funds. And the way that funds was lost was this tokens became swapped. This 3,794,000 LP of YCRVV2. So once that was swapped, they said that uh, they used arbitrage, and that arbitrage between the chains was what caused people to take out 1.4 million. So this is exactly uh, the result of their error, and they want to tell you that, hey, we need to get these tokens back, and they have asked these traders that have profited from this to consider sending some of the funds back. And the way they did it is they actually went right on the chain and sent messages to the traders directly going, yo, send it back to us. So maybe if the traders send it back, they'll receive some portion. It does feel dirty in my eyes. Hey, they flubbed, they messed up. I say you continue on, and it is what it is. And those traders that benefit from they're not entitled to give you those tokens back or the money back. So I think chalk it up as a loss and continue and make it a learning experience. And, others will now learn from it as well. And we keep going. We keep going. That's the only thing you can do. Dun, 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 dun. Oh boy, let me see here. Working it hot, bro. Working it hot, bro. Yeah, I've been seeing the big gains you making. Yeah, Coochie Boy is still holding the long. Coochie Boy's in it for the long run. His baby Grok and Bonk. Oh man, guys, he got in very early. He told us about it very early. We looked at that chart before anyone else did, and it is wild. It is wild. Some of the ways the goons find the charts, the plays, it takes a true gang to lead us. And that gang leader is no one but our own Coochie Boy, who keeps telling goons, going, hey, goons, take a look, take a look. Not financial advice, but definitely something to consider. So YFI, aka you're in finance, unfortunate, but maybe they'll recover. We continue to see and monitor and hope for the best. Next, Shiba Inu. Oh boy, we thought, hey, we're gonna get it. It's gonna do great. We're gonna see Shiba Inu come back. And the market right now is doing a bullish trend, and we're gonna talk about Shiba Inu during the chart segment as well. But they're saying that the golden cross scenario was short term, and it's not gonna end up playing out, and had a quick reversal. So very, very sad for Shiba Inu. I do believe in that sentiment. I didn't see Shiba Inu have any bullish sentiment other than the market sentiment that helped push it up. Shibarium. You guys know how I feel about Shibarium. So, Cooch, you have buy to Bonk. Yeah, Cooch bought Bonk on Solana. I think he bought it. He has a Phantom wallet. So, yeah, he bought it on day one. Yeah. We were there. We were literally looking at Bonk's price day one, day two, and then Cooch disappeared for like 3 days. Or no, I didn't stream for 3 days. We came back. Bonk had a little bit of a reversal, and then boom, it took off. And that was it. So it's very interesting. This is not the first time. Cooch has done this many times. Many times. We are witnessing a trend here. And this is why us goons stick together. So if you guys are looking for any advice or need help in making any decision, this is completely free. You can add me on Telegram at TEDIGANJA. I will message you with a voice message. You can listen to me. It'll be 100% me. And we'll add you to a group where all the goons are. It's invite only. It is very it's free. There's no money involved, and it's nice. It's nice to make informed decisions and make money together, and we show our wins, we show our losses, we get better, and we keep trading for the future. So I love it. I love what Coochie Boy, John Crispala, SK, what all these guys are doing for even DB from Aquila Traders. Oh my God, he sent me so much more indicator news. I'm going to review that over this weekend. Come back to you guys more informed and tell you, hey, I learned some new indicators, and this is something to consider. So Shiba Inu, unfortunately, had that reversal very quickly. They also talked about Dogecoin, a similar thing, sentiment. Dogecoin had a dip as well, and so did Pepe. But now I'll take a quick check because I see Pepe's green on my side here, but I do see Shiba Inu and Dogecoin followed that bearish sentiment. So Solana still up, still having that great run. We talked about it at $13. Now we're at like 70. And it's still got ways to go. Like, this is still early for Solana. If you're like, oh, I missed the Solana bandwagon, bro, what do you mean? Solana's gonna go past 3 digits, no problem. It's seen an all-time high way past that. So we hold on and we hope for the best. Let me see. So we talked about the potential of Bitcoin, the price, the bullish trend, and really, why is this happening? Bloomberg had initially told us we had a 90% chance that spot Bitcoin ETFs were going to be approved by January 10th. We saw a few other articles saying that now Bloomberg's prediction should be a 99% chance, and we have seen it go up like anything. Well, during this time, during the last few weeks, there have been 4 different issuers that met with the SEC regarding their Bitcoin ETF filings. And then, this guy, James Safart, really got into what they discussed, what the outcomes were. And I guess in the grand scheme of things, really what they're trying to do is figure out the way that they classify their in-kind creation model. So they were like, hey, you should use the cash creation model for their spot Bitcoin ETFs instead of this in-kind creation. So BlackRock and other issuers advocated for the in-kind creation, but I guess the SEC went, hey, no, use the cash creation model. Trust me while we're telling you, right? So it's kind of like nudge, nudge, behind closed doors talks. So it should have been interesting when Gary Gensler came to the table, tail behind his legs. I wonder what that was like. How do you stand in a room knowing every single guy in that room thinks you're a clown and just making up rules as you go? I wonder sometimes, but he's done it 4 times, 4 times public clown. But regardless, hey, Anandya Raspati from Indonesia. What's going on? Nice to see ya. Always a pleasure. How's the baby? How is the baby? Mine is very sick. Actually, today we got her some medicine. I forced it. We tried literally everything to get medicine down into our baby. And it was so hard, guys. Like, even using the syringe that they give you, like, get the 4 milliliters in, she would not take it. And then we tried mixing it in food, would not take it. We tried like anything. We looked up the Google things to make babies take medicine, and like nothing worked. And then somehow, I kid you not, all we did was we put it in a closed cup and just used some water and honey, mixed the medicine, and gave it to her, and she drank it. And that's all it took. We tried to do the same thing again. It don't work. So it worked once. Now we need to find out what the next thing will be. So it's always a puzzle when it comes to Cairo. But yeah, that I wanted to share that. But nice to see you, Anandia. How are you? How are you? Teddy, your little girl will be better by the weekend. I feel it. I feel she will. I feel she will. Now that we've got some medicine into her, it definitely shows that she needed it, and she was very congested, having difficulty breathing. She would be like moaning while she was sleeping. Very difficult even for Emily and I to sleep. So finally, We hope that this medicine will work, and we'll see what happens. Um, but yeah, these things happen. Kids get sick. Nothing too crazy. Even we did a COVID test just to make sure it's not COVID or anything like that. Even if it was, like, what am I gonna do? We're gonna have to wait it out, and the baby has to get better. There's a, unless it's real bad. Regardless, going back to the crypto tangents, ADHD. Welcome to the stream. Are you having fun? I'm glad. I'm glad. Oh boy. Oh boy. So yeah, we can dig into this. Let me click on this thing. They actually do have so it's this guy, Molly, Sarah, all these guys met with the SEC, Grayscale, BTC Trust. That was December 8th, just a few days ago. December 7th with Fidelity. Uh, oh boy. And then Franklin Templeton. Another meeting. Man, this is crazy. And then December 11th, so just 2 days ago with BlackRock. Things are happening. Things are happening. So yeah, love it, love it, love it. This is exactly what we need. This is what I want. I should like repost. Yeah, let's see what ends up happening there. All right, I think I did everything. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. We're gonna make it all back. So Powell finally said, "Hey, next year, potentially there's gonna be um rate cuts, and he wants to get the rate cuts down to 4.6 by the end of 2024. So right now we're at like current Fed rates are around 5.25, 5.5. If we want to get to 4.6, that would be in like roughly 325 basis point cuts. So super bullish news, helped get Bitcoin over uh 43K, and then it had a quick reversal down, and then we're trending pretty much sideways. I do believe we're gonna stay above 43K, but let's see. We'll talk about it during the chart segment. But it's nice to see we're finally there. We're finally there. Things are happening. Things are happening quick, and many people talk about bond yields. Even Dusty Tillerson, friend of the channel, he himself has gotten into bonds, said great time, everything that's happening with the governments. It seemed like it was the right time to get into bonds, even for him. So let's see, in the grand scheme of things, if he makes some good profits from those bonds, and there's like 10-year bonds, 20-year bonds. There's some really long ones out there. He's doing something where they just allocate funds to it, and he can go in and out as needed. So I'm like, all right, sounds interesting. Have fun. But it sounds like that's a big thing now. So for those of you guys that know, you know. So large cap tokens, AVAX, ADA, INJ, and Red Sox talked about INJ as well. We've talked about AVAX with Big A Armory, Cardano, um, was also a big thing. And we are seeing this. We are seeing they are performing better, even with the Bitcoin rallies. They tend to follow the market sentiment. So we're happy. We want to keep an eye on it. And for me, it's like XRP. I'm really watching XRP. 65 cents has to hit. I believe that's going to help it drive past. But BNB also has a long position as well. So we're going to talk about that as well. But yeah, this is pretty much the news that I wanted to cover. Very interesting things happening in our world, and we hope that this continues to trend upward. Realistically, we are going to have days we're down. The goal is we don't have all the way down to 17K drastically, right? So hopefully we ride it smoothly and find opportunities to get in and and out if needed, but most of us are here for the long term. All right, and with that, we'll go over to the chats. To the chats. I need to look at the chats, Teddy. Oh my God. Oh my God, indeed. I've been watching this like a hawk, trying to figure out if we were going to close above our fib retracement level. So it did bounce off the 0.618. It's around that 40K level. Fib retracement put 0.618 right at 48.95, and we're right here at the 0.786. In reality, if this goes bullish, we're looking at 50K, 50,800. So market here, if this truly closes above 0.618, I do believe that bullish trend will go. And if it happened as quickly as it happened here, it will be just like 1 week. 1 week, it's going to push every day 2K, 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 boom, 50K. Everyone's is going to be talking about it. And by that point, you're going to be in the place 50K too much to now buy BTC. For most people, it will be. So, oh boy, decisions. You got to make sure you're doing the right things, guys. Don't do anything crazy now. Don't do anything crazy now. My AVAX, Big A Armory. I talk about you every day since $21. Since we looked at it, since $13. Big A Armory and INJ. Red Sox has shout out to him too. You guys are killing it today. If you need to pull your initials, definitely do it. Ride those profits, or hold out. If you're in it long term, you have nothing to lose. Let it ride. So very very interesting thing. So I do like what's happening with the BTC chart. In theory, if we do close above 40,800, I'd felt a bullish sentiment. That bullish sentiment seems to be staying. We are having a widening of the Indian oscillator, so I'm feeling good. I'm feeling very good with what's happening here. So I love the triple G indicator showing the sentiment still in that long position. Now we'll flip over to ETH, and guess what? We were below the 0.51 just for 2 days, and then finally we flipped above. We closed above 0.618. I think this goes bullish, and we're looking at 2,700. So DB from Aquila Traders has told us, hey, if these things close above 0.618, most of the time in a bullish world, it goes up to 1.618. Anything higher, God Almighty, he'll take it, right? So, in great news, 4,000 would be great. But 2,700 first leg up, I think, can be done when it comes to Ethereum as well. BNB. So the Indian oscillator crossed over. A long position came in about 2 days ago. We are not too late. That long position for us came in around 250 as well. 250 today, 250 yesterday. When Bitcoin spot ETF potentially before January 10th. Before January 10th, 90% chance predicted by Bloomberg. Other articles bumped up that prediction to 99%. So it's going to be quick. It's going to happen so quick. We are talking weeks, guys. It's going to, like, literally, if you know anyone that's wondering if you want them to get in now potentially is the time. I do not see any scale back event happening before January. So it feels like, hey, get ready to take profits also when the time comes. So quite interesting. And we'll keep an eye on what happens. Let me see. Thoughts on BTC Doge interacting with Flare F facets. Wait, I don't know what's happening with Doge and Flare. Explain. I'm not hip. I didn't keep up with this. The only thing about Doge is they're going to the moon. They're literally the tokens helping drive them to the moon. To the moon, Teddy. Um but I like my Dogecoin support and resistance levels, and it's in there very nicely. We hope it continues to trend sideways. Goal is breaks through 11 cents in theory, 9 cents being support. So keep an eye on it. Not too crazy. When it came to Pepe, we are trying to see if it will stay above the 0.618. Unfortunately, it did downtrend a little. It stayed above 0.5. It fought. I see it's another bullish day. If we close above 0.618, I wonder if that bullish sentiment comes back and we continue making trends up. And then some of you guys said, "Hey, no, move it over to the new low and the new high for the current period," and that doesn't make it any better. That didn't actually help the chart in any way, but I'm okay. I'm okay if we use this as the retracement. This actually shows it's going to go down unless it makes moves back up to almost a 0.618 level. So long way down if that is the truth. And we got bonk week for our boy Kuchi boy. Gucci boy. We told you Bank's gonna end. So Binance listing is what Gucci boy first told us about. Now he's coming in Robinhood and Coinbase listing. So at this point, I'm ready for anything. Let it happen. Is this gonna be the meme coin that makes it all back? I am not sure. Imagine they get CZ's new exchange and they're like, it's the M2 exchange, Teddy. It's gonna make it all back. And it's like, oh, okay. Bunk's listed on there. It's the first meme coin. Oh boy. Oh boy. Could you? Oh man. I'd be so happy. Supposedly, facets will allow smart contract capabilities to coins such as BTC and Doge. Oh, okay. So we have talked about this because there is a risk to the ordinals environment, aka BRC20, where because that program data block chunk is being manipulated and incorrectly being sent program code instead of real transaction data. They're sending what they say is program code, and they're sending their transaction data to have blocks or sats that have your tokens and NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain, right? Well, that's not going to work out. That's not that. If they patch that bug, hey, you can no longer ordinals would just disappear once that's patched. So they are saying 2024 that could be patched. So I'm assuming facets is a way to help prevent that. Yeah, this is through Flare networks though. Yeah, so I'm assuming these are alternatives that they're talking about to help mitigate any of that and continue allowing smart contracts, because one of the issues with Bitcoin and Doge is there's no capabilities to deploy smart contracts, and people have to find like weird ways in order to imprint onto that blockchain so that way they can continue their thing. And right now the BRC20 is slowing down the network. There were days where, because the transactions got backlogged so much, even Binance were like, we're not paying out till the transactions go down. So it is a risk. Even NIST has listed a risk. So this makes sense. This definitely makes sense on why flares comes up. So I like it. I like it, Kuchi boy. I like this interaction, and I hope they do it. I hope it continues, and we have many ways of continuing BRC20. I don't know who's gonna do it right, but the people that figure it out properly, um, they're gonna be the ones. And I don't think like dual chains is the right way either. So there has to be a better way. Has to be a better way. Let me see here. All right. Did I go through all of my charts? Yeah, I hit most everything. Solana doing thing, but the bands are narrowing on Solana, which is interesting, at least to me. Still bullish, but bands are narrowing. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll see how long the sentiment goes. The Solana's got a long way to go, guys. This is nothing for Solana. 143 is my next level of resistance, because it was a long way down, and that's a 2x from here. That's a 2x from here, and that's not even all-time high. All right. So if you're looking at 70 and you're like, oh man, I was in Solana when it was get the hell out of here, bro. Where were you when Solana makes it back to 260? So don't be telling me any of this. Beta is in testing. Okay, this is it. So yeah, let me know what happened to there. Is Flare something we can look at? Do they exist? Is this something that pops up on Flare network? Oh, network. No, I think, is it just Flare? Dun 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 dun. Flare.network. Yeah. Looks like they do connect everything. Flare is the blockchain for data providing developers. Flare time series, Oracle. So they have their own blockchain on bridging state acquisition, Web 2 connectivity. Yeah, man. FLR. It's on all major exchanges. FLR. Wait, am I looking at the right one? FLR? Yeah, I am. It's on all major exchanges. It's up 6.2% today. I'm sorry, I'm clueless on it, boys. Oh, it's not even at all time high. Like all time high puts it at like 7 cents, and we're at 1 penny. This is still the flora in my eyes. So we're still early. Where do you buy this? Oh, you can't buy it because you have to buy it on an exchange, basically. Oh, it's on Coinbase. Oh, okay, cool. Maybe I'll move some of my what do I have? SEI at this point, I guess, into it. We'll see. Oh, this looks good. I like it. I like it. Wait, let me move over to Goon Time. Is there anything you guys want me to check out? Do let me know. Otherwise, I go bye-bye and you guys get your time back. Um Let me see here. I do want to check out Dex Tools to see what's trending. Oh, and I wanted to tell you guys about the craziness that the guy messaged me. So he was telling me all these Michelin ones that I was like, oh, they're only 0.24, so it's like 1 ETH. He's like, no, Teddy, listed for sale. It's like it's half an ETH almost. You know, zero point 0.4. This one 0.29. Oh, okay. Well, he said some of them were half an ETH. 0.5 almost. 0.5 you know, it's like I was like, holy crap, I didn't even know. I didn't even know. No one told me. And then finally, I got the Trump NFTs, boys, but bad news bears. You can't do anything with them. You can't even freaking sell them or trade them or do anything. So I don't know if they're done minting, but it definitely is depression because the goal was to make it all back. And it's like, yo, how am I going to make it all back if there's no floor? And I don't even know if the ones I got are rare. All these look super different. You know, these is almost look AI generated. Are they real? Is this real life? Hi, Kyra. My daughter's in here, but she's half. That's fine. What's going on, baby? What's going on? She always carries objects that are way too big for her in her hands, and it's just like crazy watching her balance. Like, how are you doing this? How are you able to do this? You know? So yeah, I finally got my Trump NFTs, but I don't know if we're gonna make it all back with the Trump NFTs. So yeah, so now that we know this is like let's say 2 ETH in the here. Then we got the original Trump NFTs, which have now gone down because he released new ones. God damn it! So we gotta wait again for these to go back up. 0.3 ETHs now. So, but he said at some point before the new NFTs were released that I actually had like 5 ETH in NFTs alone, and then I had the WAGMI NFTs. So uh, that was the other area I made the other ETH from. So I was like, oh, interesting. Never knew this. That's nothing. He ended up telling me I have a token called Dubs in the DGen wallet, and that's like at like 15 grand or something. I'm like, dude, wait, what the hell? I have a token on Dubs on the DGen wallet, and he's like, yeah, bro, you've sold it a couple of times, and I'm like, okay, yeah, I do remember this. Oh boy, oh boy. So yeah, he's keeping track of our DGen wallet for us. He's saying we're doing pretty good. Once the time comes, we're gonna make it all back. He's saying. So we believe and we hope that this is the path, and this could be why Trump NFTs aren't transferable till around Xmas. There it is. There it is. Oh my god! Every single time they hit me with something, bro. There's always something. It's always something, Teddy. Always something. Dude, I do like the Michelin ones that move, man. The moving ones actually seem pretty cool now. I don't have many moving ones. I like the moving. Do you look at the Mong NFTs? No, wait, there's Mong NFTs? Are they actually on OpenSea? We're gonna make it all back today. Today. Mong, 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 mong. I see nothing. Mongoose. If I make a mongoose. Wait, did they really make manga NFTs? Nah, I'm not searching for this till you confirm. Oh wait, I am searching for it. I can search for it from here. Mang. Mang. Let's get some mang. Let's get some mang. These mongs rule. These mongs rock. Wait, are these the NFTs? Yeah, I want to click on anything here. Just tell me where the NFTs are, bro. Where I meant the NFTs at. Oh yeah, this guy got his tattoo. I guess that's still relevant. Gary Gensler. Oh, our boy, Mr. Sherman. Oh, whoa, is this Gary Gensler? What is going on here? We're gonna make it all back, Teddy. Wait, so where is the mint site for the NFTs? OpenSea manga NFTs. Here it is. Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. 0.05 ETH, bro. Who's buying manga NFTs? Who's buying these? You got some? You got some, Coochie boy? Correction, mugshot NFTs are not transferable till December 31st, is what the mint site said. Oh, there it is. Of course. Of course. They're mean. Dun, 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 dun. Let me see. 35 minutes ago, listings. Yeah, people are listing them for like 0.7 ETH, but the sales really aren't that much. Like 5 a day. I guess that's a lot, yeah. 4.6 ETH in volume. That's not bad. 54 sales. Prices going steady. 0.07. Oh, but this is only the last couple of days. Wait, give me the full last 90 days, Teddy. Oh boy. Oh boy. What are we thinking? Straight up? Straight up. No. No. Oh, I mean, it went to 0.1 ETH at one point. Starting off at 0.05. Hey, I mean, not bad. Not bad. No, I don't have any. Oh, okay. That's why I ask. That's why I ask. All right, I think that is it. I don't see anything else. Okay, I will see you guys again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you smoke the like button on your way out. Guys, it was a pleasure. Stay safe, stay strong. Most importantly, don't be a hero. And if you need anything, do reach out at any point. I do appreciate you guys. All right, goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed, get informed.